Hello everybody, some new progress on the Walter V80. I've primed the superstructure and cut it out the flood holes over here, also for the hatches, and I placed myself a little dome. Also prepared the periscopes. You can extend them both. Length is different because of the position of the screws inside. They already are prepared for working on pressure there, so I have to connect that. Finished off the end, added some aircraft aluminum foil for covering the covers to give it a little more strength, and gave the rudder and the diving plane some profile, and just have a peek inside. I've got a connection screw over here, and I made one over here, so I have to cover it with a little hatch, but that will be later on in the process. The reason why I put the superstructure into the primer is merely to see where I have to add some plaster to see, or filler to see where I have to put some things. Take it off. It's becoming crowdy inside. I'll place that over there. Let's have a peek inside. I tilt her a little bit better because it'll for the light. Let's have a look if I can do that. So it's a little bit tilted. Now I can better look inside. The E-motor, the little print over here is for switching the boat on off. Battery is already inside, so I can put it online, offline. The rest is not already connected. That thing over there is for keeping it straight on the water. I added the servos, the connection to the rudder and dive plane, and to the axle for the driving the screw. Periscopes. Everything is already arranged for attaching it to the compressed air system, but I have to bring it into this hatch. Floating device, again, just like the big one, already connected and working. In front I'm working with over there a little water pump. Because of the size of this boat, pressured air wasn't a possibility, so I only want to use a pressured air bottle for the periscopes. And this bottle will be coming inside. A gas bottle. If you use those bottles for compressed air, always take care that it's an aluminium pressed one. Those little bottles can stand until 7-8 atmosphere, so that won't be a problem. Already building on a mock-up for trying the periscopes. This is a Robart switch, an air valve for normally pulling in and pulling out your gear of your model airplane working on compressed air. If you attach a servo to it, you get scope up, scope down, like that. This is for me, whoa, the filling part. You can attach it to a little pump. This one is going to be outside, so I can refill the system, and with the capacity of this bottle I can raise and lower the periscopes about 5 times, I think. That will be enough, because it's a little boat and I don't have the luxury of a compressed air system inside. So she's coming along. Just one step at a time. I hope to show next time some more vids when she's all in the primer, not only the top hatch. The inside, the attachment points for securing the superstructure above. I still have to add some reinforcement to the inside, because I will show you. You can see it will flex a little bit, and by placing this it won't flex anymore, so I think I have to place over here and probably under the dome over here some ribs to make it sturdy. In front it's already tough, but in the inside it still flex. I still have to work this piece. It's a kind of support for the dome. You can put it over here. I'm going to fill it up with styrodur with the foam, because I don't want any air bubbles trapped inside where I cannot control them, because for the balancing of the boat when she's in the water. So I'll put it back on. Just have a look. And then you can secure it again. So this is the progress so far. I hope you guys enjoy. Until next time.